this is Garen from Ribs for Sale, and this is a short video to introduce this wonderful ballistic 6.5 meter rib that we have just put through some extensive updates. So let's spin the camera around and have a closer look. Okay, so the ballistic 6.5 is the smallest boat to incorporate the formidable reverse scallop chine hull, full high pull-on tube set here. Now the boat has had a brand new factory made set of upholstery in the more modern Silvertex, so this upholstery is brand new. She's sporting a fantastic margined teak effect synthetic deck. We got the newer layout in here, so we've got the rear bench for 3 people, 2 jockey seats, and then on the console here we have Garmin electronics, Fusion music, and Evinrude digital touchscreen and Evinrude digital binnacle. I say this was specifically made back in 2016 for its owner, who had a 6.5 previous to this one. Only wanted it with the Evinrude, so he's got the HO 200, which is the same capacity or displacement as the 300, but it's obviously just detuned. Means the boat has got some pretty prolific performance. It's got full electric steering, or say electric power steering, and say all the gears are actuated electronically too. Dual batteries, dual bilge pump, everything you really need. Absolutely cracking condition. She's got the full keel guard as well, so absolutely ready to go for any adventure really. So any questions, give us a call. It's 02 392 397 000.